So we're in the car show part right here. Yeah, racing and car show. STI. Where are we going?
This is the car show area.
Alright. Where is this?
Oh, look at that. Their vehicle.
Wheels on that one. R34.
Huh.
And now those are legal.
Huh?
Those are legal now.
Yeah, they are.
This one?
They're legal to import now.
Oh, really? Cheetah. Why they're not illegal? Used to be.
Before, because of emissions, they had to be like 20 or 30 years old before they could be imported.
Oh, okay.
I think it was 30
Huh.
years.
There's a lot of Subaru.
Oh, you could have had the Model A out here. They got domestic ones here too.
Oh.
That's cool, I'll tell you.
Wow, it's so many cars that I do not know about. My husband used to have a Subaru STI, the 800 horsepower at the wheel.
Okay, by the next round here, we should have information to get a little more announcing going, so bear with us there. Also, our outlaw guys are here. Thank you. We're going to do some track prep, and then they will be running. That's the quickest cars we have here today. So they'll be up next. We'll be lane 2 and 33, lane 2 and 17. So he's going to be over there. Thank you.
Whoa. How can I take the picture from here?
I can't hear what you're saying.
Oh, hey.
Oh, sorry. I got a Hot Wheel. My son collects Hot Wheel.
actually, it's really quick when you first get out. It was an SRP.
Huh?
The neon was an SRP. That version. Stay left today.
Wow, sounds good. Turbo.
$12. I think the first one I grabbed, the Civic, it was
That's my favorite style of
The army truck?
No, I'm talking to Leo. Forest.
This one right here?
Yeah, that's the cool style.
Mm-hmm.
So that was pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Beautiful GTR.
Hips or lack of hips are a giveaway. Everyone will try to put a body. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful color. I love the red.
Even one of the guys who was right, you got to put it next to ours.
There's so many of them. I don't know what to claim.
So we have for all of you, and then we'll be going into okay, so now we're going into okay, so we're going into FIP right now. FIP is going to be coming up here shortly. So at this time, 1, 2, testing 3.
It's a right-hand drive.
Super.
So that's from Japan.
This one?
Yeah, right-hand drive.
Cool.